He probably lost an interlock somewhere in there. I don't see any way to get any of that realigned without pulling the main case off of it.
Caleb Mertzworth, may I help you?
You trying to do this in the car, right?
Yeah.
Well, I think you're going to have to pull it out of the car for starters and keep going. But if you're very close, I was saying it now, you know, something like it's a very
All right, what are we doing today?
I think we're doing car stuff, but first...
Oops.
First, this is how to open a beer with your teeth. You're gonna use these bad boys. Right here.
That's your canines?
Uh-huh.
No way.
Oh.
No way.
I really don't like that you're doing this. How many beers have you done this to?
I raised no quitter, okay?
Okay. Dang.
You got what it takes.
But can you drop the transmission for us?
Oh, come on. It's not about the transmission stuff, right? Cheers.
Sure.
That's really...
No.
Did you break it?
Are you gonna help me film? We're gonna drop it. Ty is gonna help us film. Say hi. Thanks. All right, so we're gonna start by jacking up the back of the car, jacking up the front of the car, putting on jack stands, and then, anyway. I'm not very stoked about this, but content is content.
It'll be good.
Yeah.
How's it going?
It's going all right. You're not?
No. I don't think I'm rock.
What part of this is not fun?
But I just put rock on my knee and you're on my rock.
Bolt there, bolt here, another one up there.
You're exposing me, sir.
How am I supposed to get that one? I feel like I'm rock climbing sometimes. Like, I can't see anything. Get in there. Get in there. Oh man. Just trying to get my ratcheting gun up there so I don't have to dick around with a Craftsman with like 12 freaking teeth on it. It ain't don't want to spin on me because his header in the way. Okay, the worst thing about being a mechanic is when there's limited clearance and you're twisting a bolt like a half a centimeter each freaking revolution or whatever. Dr. Phil. Frankly, I'm sick and tired of it. I don't want to hear it. Dr. Phil. Whoa. Why did that bolt back out the way that it did? That's my question. Because frankly, I'm sick and tired of it. Dude, you know what would help unbolting this? Lowering the transmission? Frankly, I'm sick and tired of it. I'll take this right here. I'm just frankly sick and tired of it. You just don't get it, do you? You just don't get it, do you? So hopefully when we lower the back of the tranny, it's enough for me to get the rest of the bell housing bolts out from the front. Then hopefully the ratchet gun will fall down. There we go. What's next? No, what's next on the car?
Drive shaft.
Uh-huh.
Somebody's also making funny noises because somebody, don't want to point your fingers, ate all the pizza and the french fries.
Where do I disconnect the drive shaft from first?
My stomach.
Where does the drive shaft disconnect from?
The transmission.
You're right.
Yeah, I know I'm right.
That's the front of it. But where does it disconnect from first?
The motor.
No. What's in the very back of the car that I talk about quite a lot?
Exhaust.
No. That is in the back, but in the bottom, but what's in the back?
Battery.
No.
Brakes? I'm just naming at this point every car part I can think of.
All right, what's an LSD?
Wouldn't you like to know?
All right, a welded what?
What is that? Different.
There you go. Bing, 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 bing,
What is
bing.
a welded?
So what does the drive shaft disconnect from?
Differential.
Yeah. Something tells me this is gonna fall right over.